We base our work culture very much on the Alcoa values, which is operate with excellence, act with integrity, and the one that I care about the most, which is care for people.
We operate 24 hours a day, 365 days a year.
We have to know what just happened, what was happening yesterday, what's happening tomorrow. Communication was not as good as it could be. All our announcements were coming through email. If I wasn't at work, I didn't see it.
It was a challenge to make sure everybody got the message. It was like shouting out into the void sometimes.
A lot of the challenge is trying to get the correct amount of people for each shift. With a magnetic board, you have to physically be there to get the shift. This board was very inefficient.
The goal was connecting everybody, and Teams was the tool we found for this.
My first impression of Teams was quite good. I just go on my phone, I see what shifts are open, click on the shift, and request it. It's really easy.
Being able to use that on a mobile phone is amazing. It's truly amazing.
And then at the end of every shift, we write our shift messages for the next one. We use emojis and GIFs. It doesn't have to be all seriousness. It can be fun.
Teams has allowed me to respond to the people immediately.
We want everybody to be heard, and we want everybody to be equal. We're giving everybody a voice.
Valka is moving forward with each generation, and our generation all have phones in their pockets, so Teams is the future.